Okay, day one, Summerlin Woods renovation project. It's a 2-bathroom, 2-bedroom condo that we got here in Summerlin Woods in Fort Myers, Florida. Paid $60,000 for it. ARV at least $120,000, if not $125,000. We have a lot of work to do. All the interior. There's the first bathroom. You can see the nice hole in the shower. All this will come out. New shower, new vanity, new floor, new everything. And in here is the kitchen. Again, requires new everything. Smile, don't run. The appliances, as you can see, will also go. Yep. Rod in his work clothes. Put a hole on the wall. We were hoping to take this wall out. They had originally told us we could, but unfortunately, as you see, there is a drain from the upper story running down, so we are revisiting our plan for that. Eating area, pass-through kitchen,
2-bedroom.
Living room out onto the lanai. Nice size lanai. Laundry is behind those doors out there on the lanai. We have. Okay, so that oh no that you heard in the background was my husband stepping in a puddle of water from a leaky hose line on the refrigerator. Not really a major catastrophe because the fridge is scrapped anyway. So as I was saying, we are going into the first bedroom here. As you can see, it's a bedroom with really ugly carpeting. We do have, though, a good size walk-in closet in this bedroom, which is always nice. And from this bedroom, you can also access the ugly bathroom. Back down, it's a split floor plan, so back through the living room and into the back bedroom. You hit the master, which also has access out onto the lanai with sliding doors, and another walk-in closet. 2 walk-in closets in this condo, and then the full bath, which will also be gutted and renovated, although this bath isn't nearly as terrible as the first one. I smell something burning in here though. It's probably those lights. I'll turn them off. So this was our first purchase of a flip property, and this is prior to starting. The only thing we've done here is get water on the floor in the refrigerator and punched a small hole in the wall.